Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a fridge cleaning with me. I'm gonna take you guys along and show you what my fridge actually looks like right now. This was done before we went shopping because we had to go grocery shopping, and I actually like to go clean the fridge first. That way I know what went bad and what things I'm missing, and I just go ahead and make a list, and I can replace those things. So as you guys can see here, all I do is I take everything out of, well, not out of the entire fridge. I like going shelf by shelf because that way I'm not that overwhelmed. So I like to keep things simple, and I will just take everything from the first shelf. I will clean that one, and all I'm using is some water and just like 1 or 2 drops of bleach or Clorox. So that's all I use. I don't use anything else inside the fridge. But that's how I like to keep it. Also, I like putting my beverages, like the big ones, like a big bottle of juice or my milks, on the top shelf, and the things that you're gonna see me hiding behind them, it's actually my daughter's candy, like her lollipops, her chocolates, and things like that. I kind of try to keep them hidden, but she knows how to open the fridge already, and she just looks under the shelf because they are from Crystal. So she looks under the shelf, and if she sees candy back there, she's just gonna go ahead and grab them. But I like doing this at least once a week because, well, I try to go twice a week to the grocery store, but I like doing this once a week, and I'd always like doing this on the days that the trash is gonna come in the morning, just so I don't have to keep food outside of my house a long time because it can smell sometimes. It smells really bad, so this is what I like to do. When it comes to organizing, like I said before, I like putting the milks and the big bottles of juice on top of the second shelf. I like putting all the waters. This time we had to buy the small bottle of waters because there weren't any of the big ones, so I had to buy the really small one. So I like putting them in the straight line, and I like putting them in the second shelf because my daughter opens the fridge already, so if she's thirsty, I kind of like that she can go and grab a water. And I put all of her juice in one of the, what's the word I'm looking for? In one of the drawers from the fridge. Oh my god, I am so bad with words, I'm sorry. So yeah, I like to keep it really simple, and that way she can also, when she's hungry or thirsty, she can just go in there and take some things. Like if she wants a yogurt, she can just go ahead and grab it, and I will open it for her, but she can decide what she wants for herself. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it was really short, and I really hope you guys do enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.